In a shadowed workshop, engineers chase the edge of speed by blending aerodynamics, electronics, and fearless experimentation. They transform ordinary cars into powerhouses with lightweight shells, tuned suspensions, and custom control systems that respond like extensions of will. Every build focuses on safety as a core feature, integrating smart failsafes, real-time telemetry, and modular upgrades for durability. Young enthusiasts follow these stories to learn soldering, code, and chassis geometry while imagining future racecraft and robotics. The trail of sparks ends with a car that feels custom-tailored to its driver, a creature of speed.